Hey, what's up guys, Mark Burnett here, and today I have a bit of a news about QBrush. So not relating to the channel, but this is definitely something that you'll want to hear about because it essentially allows anybody to make money on QBrush. So what we just launched is our partner program. When you become a QBrush partner, any link that you share, any link that comes from QBrush that you share can now become monetized, meaning that if somebody follows your link and makes a purchase, you'll make 10% on that sale, and there are no limits. So it's going to be a short video because there's really not that much to it. It's super simple. So all you have to do really to become a partner is to apply. So we have just a small requirement that you need 100 followers, friends, subscribers, and whatever on at least one website. And then as long as you're meeting that criteria, you can go ahead and apply. And as an affiliate, you'll get something like this. So it's short code that you can now add to any QBrush link. So let's say I find a cool tutorial here. All you need to do is copy that little bit of code and add it to any QBrush URL. Or to make it even simpler, we automatically add it to the short links on every product page. And so as a new affiliate partner, all you have to do is copy that short link here, paste it anywhere, anywhere that you would normally share content. And anybody that follows that link and then makes a purchase, any purchase on the website, doesn't have to be for this particular product. So even though you might share this one product, if somebody ends up purchasing something else, you'll still get 10% on that sale. And that is it. So you share away, wait for sales, and then you get paid twice a month. Obviously, this kind of feature becomes really interesting if you have a large online following, because then you can drive a lot more traffic, increasing your potential number of sales. If you have something like a Twitch channel or something like that, or a YouTube channel, or if you have a really big online following, let's say on Instagram or Twitter and whatever it is, maybe you're using a brush set that you found on the website that you can share, when you share your new art. It can be something as simple as, hey, as you're posting your new piece of art, you can be like, hey, this is my new piece, and I use those brushes here, and then you put the link, of course, with your affiliate code attached to it. And then whenever somebody visits your link, maybe they're going to purchase that brush set, maybe they'll purchase something else on QBrush, whatever. Regardless, anything they purchase, you make 10% of the revenues. Another idea, rather than just sharing the link without context, if you followed a course maybe that you got on QBrush, something that really helped you out, and maybe you want to find a way to recoup the money that you spent for it, and then maybe make a bunch of extra on top of it, share it. Talk about it. Like, hey, I found this tutorial and I did this and this with it, and it's awesome. Here's the link for it in case you're curious, if you want to learn the same thing. And then whoever follows that link ends up making a purchase on the website, just pocketed 10% of it. Just more money your way. If you're somebody that has a decent online following, that can literally be your only job, or at least a really lucrative side job. Just share a link, and throughout the day you end up making like $1,000 worth of sales, which can add up pretty quickly. Well, you just made $100, and all you have to do is share a link. And of course, you'll keep making more and more with all the links that you share. They're always valid, and as you keep growing your online following, it just means that you'll have more and more people to refer back to QBrush, sharing cool content, and increasing your balance, increasing your revenues. But yeah, I'm super stoked about this feature. This was a big missing piece of QBrush. This is something that we've been working on for a long time to set up the stage for it and to build all the other tools that would eventually, allow it to exist in the first place. So I'm extremely proud of my team for for putting this together, and proud of the fact that QBrush is the only one offering something like this, within the art industry, and allowing us to put more money into more people's pockets. It used to be that artists, were always starving, but we're trying our best to do things like this to help people actually make some really good money as an artist. Now, the last thing that you might be wondering about is if there's, any kind of like form that you have to fill in. It's going to take a while to get set up. And the good news is that there's none of that. And so you can literally get started in seconds. Pretty much anybody can apply to become a QBrush partner and start earning money, sharing cool content from any of our, 6,000 plus creators on the website. So there you have it. That is going to be it for today. So you can apply, by just clicking the link in the top right corner of the screen here. Of course, I'll put the link in the description below as well for convenience. But yeah, I'm super excited for this feature. That is something that I've wanted on QBrush for a long time, and it's finally here. So I hope that'll help a lot of new people to actually make money on QBrush. To me, it's still amazing that the platform can help people actually make a living, before as a seller and creator, and now as a partner as well. I hope you check out the feature, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Oh, and happy selling.